If you have been struggling with Pandabuy, then you are at the right place, as by the end of this video, you will be an expert on Pandabuy and you will know exactly how to find the different products, how to add balance on Pandabuy, how you can withdraw your money, how you can cancel your orders, and every sort of thing about Pandabuy will be known to you. So just sit back and relax. So first of all, let's see how we can do it. So the first things first, you need to create your account on Pandabuy. You can do it on your PC or laptop or also on your mobile device. And after that, this is how it will appear. Now over here, you can search for products or a particular shop. So in case if you want to search for a particular shop, then simply change it to shop and then type that particular shop's name, or you can also provide the link of that particular shop. And in case if you have the link of a product or the name of the product that you want to purchase, just select the product over here and provide the name of that particular product or the link. Don't worry, we will also see how you can find the link of products. So this is how it will look like. You need to provide the name and this platform will be able to search different products for you. And in case if you have the picture of that particular product, simply click on this option of picture. After that, provide the picture and the product will be searched on this particular platform. This is quite easy. Now let's see how we can find different products using Reddit. So for that, just open up Google and search for fashion wraps. After that, open up the very first link that you will see on the Google search, and this is where it will take you. Now you can search for any different product that you want to purchase. Simply search for that particular product over here. Suppose I want to purchase Nike Air, so I will just type Nike Air over here and click enter. And this way, all the products related to Nike Air will come over here. Now I can simply select any of the product and open it up. Suppose I want to buy this product, so I will just open this up and wait for it to load. And in the same way, you can search for different products also. So I will just scroll down and try to locate the link for this particular product. I cannot find any of the link over here, so I will just get to the next page. And on this page, I'm able to see this link. So I will just copy this link. In some cases, you will be able to find this particular link in the comments also. So just look out for this particular link and then open up Pandabuy. Over here, you just need to paste this particular link and click enter. After that, you will be able to see that there is this particular product which has opened up. So this is the shop that was selling Nike Air, but they are currently not able to purchase these items. And we can simply enter this particular shop and check out for different products in order to see their other products. And in the similar way, we can just simply get back and search for any other product. And this is how you will be able to search for different products for Pandabuy and get them. Suppose, let me show you how you can actually get it. So suppose I get this one, and after that, I will just simply select my size over here. And then I will just agree. After selecting the category, simply select buy now. And this is how it will appear. Then it will ask you to select your country where you want it to be shipped. Then click on confirm and provide the destination over here. Select your country and after that scroll down. Then you need to click on this option of I have read and agreed, and then you need to submit this particular order. After that, this particular order will be shipped from the origin of this particular product to the warehouse in your country. And after that, Pandabuy will be doing all the quality checks for you. And in case if you don't like this product when it arrives in your country's warehouse, you can also return it using Pandabuy's platform. Otherwise, you can simply tell Pandabuy that you like the product and you want to get it. So this will be shipped from your country's warehouse to your house. And this is how it will appear. Now let's see how we can add money on Pandabuy. So for that, just click on your profile, go to your orders or your wallet directly. Then click on this option of top up. After that, type the amount that you want to add. Suppose I want to add 1000 Chinese yen. I will just type it. Then I will be able to see the amount that it is in dollar. Then click on confirm. After that, you need to select the payment method. You can use any of the method. It is PayPal is also there, and the credit cards, and there are some other options as well. But when you scroll down to the end, you will be able to see that there will be no handling fee when you are doing it using Wise. So you can use Wise also, as there is around $6 of handling fee which is included in this particular top up. So you just need to confirm this payment and this amount will be added to your account. and you can use this particular amount to buy different products. And in case if you want to refund this particular product, you just have to get back to your user center, and over here you will find this option of refund. Just simply click on it and you will be able to see the amount of refund that is available to you. After that, you will be able to make any refund, and this is how you will be able to make the refund. In case if you have got more questions about Pandabuy, you can simply add them into the comments. Our team will be happy to help you out. And this was the short tutorial about Pandabuy. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.